So you're a broke filmmaker. Well, I'm here to help. If you don't have any fancy lighting equipment, or maybe you don't have any equipment at all for lights, all you need is some windows. Because if you manipulate the light from the windows in the right way, you get a beautiful image. Let me show you. So what you have to do to have perfect lighting with just windows and a small light is simple. All you have to do, place your chair at a 45-degree angle from the window. This is called Rembrandt lighting, and it is the most used lighting technique in the film industry. It will give you a dark triangle on the opposite side of your face, which means you're lighting it correctly. Then I took my only artificial light and I used it as a backlight because I have enough front light from a window coming from the right side here. So I decided just to use this as a backlight to separate me from the background. What I also did, I also moved this plant right here because it actually blocks most of the sunlight coming through those 3 windows there, which can be very distracting, also gives more depth to the scene. So that's what I added that there. You also never, ever want to be right in front of a window with your back facing the window, because that means you're just blowing out the whole image with the window. Besides, you don't even have lighting on your face. It looks terrible. There is some artistic styles that you can do a silhouette, but that means the whole room has to be dark with just the only light source being those 2 windows or artificial light. You can experiment with different lighting techniques and everything, but the Rembrandt triangle lighting is the most commonly used and generally it looks the best in most situations. Of course, you might have to change something or you're just slow on a tool, but that's life. And let's say you actually put the windows right in front of you and you sat right in front of my camera right here. That is just flat lighting. It's light, it's not dark, but it's just a flat image. No one likes that.
What you also see right here is a histogram. You see this, all this white stuff is the natural light. And you can see right here that there is a peak right there. That is that backlight right there. So that is okay because that is an artistic style. I don't really care if it's just blowing out right there. It's artificial light. I can have that. And then there is like 3 peaks right here. Those are just for those back windows, which I'm kind of okay just letting through because sometimes there's different scenes and different stuff. So that's okay. But besides that, everything else is kind of even right here. That means I exposed correctly, lighting's perfect, and I did a great job. That means a beautiful image. I always recommend using histograms. They can be super helpful. This is actually on the M&Q app that can control and connect to Sony cameras because of Sony FX30. Totally recommend this app, so go get it yourself.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video on lighting. I hope they helped you guys in your filmmaking journey. If this video helped you, please hit that subscribe button and like button, share it to your friends and family. See you later. Peace.